Major U.S. stocks look ready to rally again. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNET, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. Microsoft looks like it's ready to take off in early morning trading, which is interesting considering that the earnings call is a week from now. So we'll see how that plays out. But certainly it looks like we are ready to go higher as the market has been following a trend line, and now we are jumping above the recent consolidation and pre-market trading. If it sticks, this could be a big deal. For what it is worth, most stocks look pretty strong, and of course Microsoft maybe a little bit of a laggard over the last several months, although it has been bullish, so maybe it's a little bit of catch up. Over here in Google, we look like we're ready to perhaps open slightly higher than where we closed during the previous session, but we are facing pretty significant resistance in the form of $200. If we can clear the highs of the trading session on Tuesday, then I suspect that this market will continue to go much higher. In general, I think this is a situation where if Google does pull back, the market will definitely be finding opportunities to buy on a bounce in order to get a little bit of value in what has been a very strong market. The 50-day EMA sits just below the $187.50 level. And that, of course, is an area that you have to pay close attention to. Regardless, though, I think this is a market that eventually breaks out and goes much higher. Meta looks like it's ready to rally in the pre-market hours as well, and I think it's probably only a matter of time before we capture those highs at the $640 level. There's a nice uptrend line underneath, and the 50-day EMA comes into the picture as well, so I think this is a situation where it's steady as she goes, and I do think that we continue to go much higher. Short-term pullbacks, I think, ultimately will see a certain amount of support near the $585 level, and of course that uptrend line. I do believe that Meta is just going to continue to grind higher. It's not necessarily a market that is impulsive most of the time, but it has earnings on the 29th of January as well. So keep in mind that next Wednesday is going to be a big tech day. At this point, though, it does look like positivity is still the main theme here. My name is Christopher Lewis. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.